Ian Leary here, reporting on Faith Painting, a Diamond certified painting contractor serving residential and commercial clients throughout the South Bay area. Our Diamond certified research shows that owner Mario Corpuz and his team offer a wide range of services, including interior and exterior painting, deck restoration, sheetrock repairs and texturing, and color consultations. The company works with paint products made by top manufacturers like Sherwin-Williams and Benjamin Moore, and it backs every project with a 5-year warranty on labor and materials. Founded in 1992, Faith Painting has built a reputation for honest communication and a thoughtful approach to customer care. Mr. Corpuz says the company aims to make each project as smooth as possible by clearly explaining its work, answering questions, and helping with color selection. It also provides detailed proposals that outline everything from prep work to pressure washing, so there are no surprises. That's our report on Faith Painting, where, as Mr. Corpuz says, they treat every client like family and work hard to provide them with the best possible painting experience. I'm Ian Leary, reporting for Diamond Certified Resource.